Hey guys, it's your girl IbbyInspired, and yeah, before I get started, I know what you guys are thinking. How dare you come on YouTube acting like nothing has happened, acting like you haven't been on here for months. Life has been pretty crazy for me. I am living my best life. It's 2019. I'm going into 2020 very, very good. You know, just living my best life and doing me. I definitely encourage you guys to go ahead, still go after your dreams. It is still 2019. The year is not over, sis. So go ahead and do you. Anyway, as you guys can tell by today's title, we are going to be doing the KKW Beauty Body Foundation. And I know it's been a couple months since this product has launched and has landed, and people have been doing reviews on this. I did not land my hands on this product until about a month ago. The product pretty much sold out every single time that I went online. Every time. I'm so happy that I finally got to get my hands on this stuff. I have not opened the box yet. I have not done anything. You guys are going to see firsthand what I think about this product. Also, as you guys can tell, I don't have any makeup on. Nothing is on my body. No body oil, lotion, anything like that. Maybe just a little bit of lotion because I don't want y'all coming for me in my elbows, okay? Other than that, I don't have anything on because I want to show you guys this product and how it works to its entirety. Now, before we get started, you guys already know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe to that IbbyInspired Bam Bam. Thank you, ma'am. And let's go ahead and get started. I did get this product because I will be going on vacation. I will be wearing a lot of bathing suits and two pieces and stuff like that. And I want to look nothing at all but flawless. Okay, so this is what the bottle looks like. And the packaging actually matches the tube. It's very nude, very Kim Kardashian, KK Beauty with her nudes and neutrals and stuff like that. Shades come in pale, fair, light, medium, tan, dark, deep dark, and then deep, and then medium as well. So it looks like pale, which is the lightest shade, and it looks like the very deep complexion is actually, they're both very new. I got the color deep dark, so it is the shade right above the deep. And when I did get this product, this was the darkest color that they had. So it's good that she's expanding her shades. I mean, with all makeup products, expanding their shades to like 40 shades or more, I think that it's always important for the inclusiveness, whether it's the lightest of skins to the darkest of skins. Everyone should be included. This product retails for $45. It works to blur imperfections, enhance skin tone, provide flawless finish for any look. It's a creamy and formula, innovative, soft light focus. It has unique water resistant formula bonds with the skin to enhance wear while giving subtle hints of vanilla and coconut. You guys, I think that is very, very, very bold to say, the unique water resistant formula, because for me, as I mentioned, I'm going on vacation. I want to see if this is going to be water resistant, transfer resistant, all of that good stuff, right? And this is rich bronze with warm undertones. So I definitely have warm yellowish goldish undertones, which is great. And then it also gives you tips and tricks. So blend the skin using long strokes with the brush in your hand. Let it dry before dressing. So that's another claim. It's saying let it dry before dressing, meaning you can put it on, dress, and honey, they didn't say you better not expect to see it on the clothes, but we're gonna test that today. We're gonna see how that works. So you guys, I am literally going to do like the power of makeup type of thing, where I'm gonna do one side of KKW Beauty Body Foundation, and then the other side is just gonna be my regular, normal, dry, ashy self. I'm gonna start with my body first. So as you guys can see, it's a little bit more rich than my actual skin tone, and I think it's a little bit more red as well, but I think it's working out okay. It smells really, really good. My armpits are darker than my body as well, so this is actually a good thing to try. Let's try it on this side. It's not bad. And just to let you guys know, I'm just using this flat top brush here. I know that there is a brush that goes with this product, and sometimes, you know, sometimes it is good to use brushes or powders or anything that goes with products, because they work, factory or whoever who makes the products work so that the products actually fit together, and so that you're getting the best results possible when you're getting the full package of products. Ooh, okay, do you guys see that? It's not dark to the point where it's very noticeable. Like, it's evening out my skin. Look at that. Look at the difference. You guys can see I'm a little bit more reddish where the product is, and then a little bit more gold where my normal arm is, but that's okay. Like I mentioned, it's not like a big difference. It just looks like I went somewhere, got a little tan, but look at the difference. Look at that is like perfection. Look at that. I'm gonna sanitize my brush, because I know what y'all thinking, like, oh, I know she didn't just use that brush with her armpit, put it on her face. We're gonna try it on our face. I mean, it is body foundation, and our face is still a part of our body, so why not? Definitely a shade that I would use for my foundation for sure. It's really thick, full coverage. As you can see, all my hyperpigmentation has gone away. So you guys, this is what my left side is looking like, and this is what my right side is looking like. My left side is giving me like chocolate goddess and giving me like the best blur ever. These are my elbows. This is without it, this is with it. So I did let this product dry off a little bit, so we're gonna try the transfer test and the rub test and the water test with this product. Let's go ahead and start with the transfer. I'm so scared because I want this to work so bad because it looks so good and so pretty. But we gotta really speak our truth, y'all. Okay, so from the transfer test, this is what we got. As you guys can see, it's a little bit, it's not too much, which is good. So we are gonna try the rub test. I'm so scared. I'm gonna try it in a place that we put a lot. You guys. But the transfer or the rub looks like this. So it does rub quite a bit. Oh, no dirty whining. No dirty whining. No dirty whining on vacation now. And then we are going to try the water test. Just gonna put a little bit on. And I think this is gonna be okay. Yeah! Okay, and you guys, the water test is, I would say, a pass. This is what we got for the water test. I am going to tell you pros and cons about this KKW Beauty Body Foundation. Positives, the shade is absolutely beautiful. I feel like it hit my skin in my shade right on the head. As I mentioned, I am a little bit of a more gold undertone, where this was a little bit of red. So it was warm in that way, but I think that it works. I mean, it looks like I just sat out in the sun just a little bit, but honestly, you can't even really tell too much. The shade is really nice. It did exactly what it said that it would do in regards to the coverage. So as you guys can see the difference, I have that hyperpigmentation spot there, and I do have it on the other side of my cheek, and you can't even see that. For the cons, I'm sure you guys already kind of sort of know. It does rub, so that is not always a good thing, because when you are wearing more skin showy things, it's more likely to be summertime, which means you're going to be wearing brighter colors. And if you are a darker skin person especially, you will probably be getting this foundation all over your neons, your pinks, your yellows, all of those bright colors. And so that's something that I'm a little bit worried about. Other than that, guys, I would say that I will definitely take this on vacation and use it 1 or 2 times. I actually really do like this product. If you guys want to see more reviews such as this KKW Body Foundation review, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to that IbbyInspired Fam Bam. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.